put a little bit bigger hook on this one here. It had a little small 1/0 hook on it, so I put this 3/0. These minnows I caught today, and it a little bit bigger.